Is your pet grooming vacuum cleaner causing a mess at your home? Well, I know this one wouldn't, because the IvittyPet HSC W03 Pet Grooming Vacuum Cleaner comes with 5 very unique cleaning tools here that not only grooms your dog really well, but it also keeps your grooming station really clean. So in today's video, we are going to check out how well this works for you, because I've been using this for a couple of weeks, and here are my thoughts. So this is the second IvittyPet Pet Grooming Vacuum Cleaner that we have reviewed on the channel. And compared to the last one that we have reviewed, this one is a lot more compact and more durable. As you can see, it features a very compact form factor, and there's a really nice big power button on top here with 3 LEDs indicating the strength of the suction. And what's so special about this is that it comes with a really large dustbin that stores up to 1.5 liters of fur and dust. So I've basically done a little bit of grooming earlier on my dog, and this is how much fur that it has stored, but of course it can definitely go more than that. Now, right under the dustbin, you do get a filter like most pet grooming vacuum cleaners out there, and it's really easy to remove. So this is how it looks like. This is the pre-filter. As you can see, it has already collected some amount of dust. And here's the HEPA filter, which is really important so that those pollens and all that don't get into the dustbin, all right? So it traps those things on the HEPA filter. So let's put it right back, and it's really easy to pop it back just like this. Now, the IvittyPet Pet Grooming Vacuum Cleaner also features a removable hose like the one that we reviewed previously, and it's easy to detach it from it. And unfortunately, this is a kind of hose that you can't just buy in the market, because it comes with 2 electrical contact pins, which is needed to power up the electric clipper here, right? So it's really easy to attach. Just put it back just like this, and you're all set. Now, let's talk about the tools right now. So the first tool that we are going to talk about is this hair suction tool. Now, there's a reason why I talked about in the beginning that this vacuum cleaner wouldn't cause a mess at your grooming station because of this tool. Now, this hair suction tool is really important because fur is something that's very stubborn. It sticks onto your shirt every time you finish grooming your dog, and it's really troublesome because sometimes as you walk along your home and all that, fur tend to just drop off, and this is actually needed for you to suck all the fur from your shirt or whatever fabric that is on the table. So yeah, this is something that I really like a lot about the HSC W03. I'm glad that IvittyPet provided this because it really helps to keep the grooming station clean. Now, as usual, you have your de-shedding tool right here, and what's special about this de-shedding tool here is that it is really effortless in using it. Now, unlike some other pet grooming vacuum cleaners that I have reviewed, their de-shedding tool is really hard to use. Like, you need to press the button really hard, or you need to do something in order to get the fur go into the vacuum cleaner. Now, for this one, it's really simple. After you groom your dog, simply just press on the button and the fur just goes right in, right? So I'm just going to show that in a bit in our demo, of course. And you have your crevice tool. This is used for vacuuming your sofas or corners of your home if you have dog fur around there. And this grooming brush is also a pretty special one. Now, as you can see, there's no brush at the moment, but once I press this button, there we go, the brush comes up, and this is useful for grooming dogs that has long fur. And let's say if you just simply want to suck dust out of their coat and all that, simply just press the button again, and the comb simply goes right in, right? So it's really useful. It's kind of like a 2-in-1 cleaning tool. And finally, this is the electric clipper. So by default, it comes with this short clip around here, but you do get 5 different sizes of clips to clip your dog's fur if you ever need to, such as golden retrievers and all that. You'll definitely need a longer clip because they have longer hair. And now let's have our star dog on the channel. This is Corey, my corgi. He has already appeared in several pet grooming vacuum cleaner reviews in the past, and he's here to let us demonstrate on how well this pet grooming vacuum works, all right? So as usual, I'm going to start off with the de-shedding tool because this is a tool that I believe most people will use, right? So we're just going to attach it just like this and turn on the pet grooming vacuum cleaner. So let's press this button. So typical vacuum sound. Let's de-shed Corey now. There's going to be a lot of dead coating here. Right, so notice that on this tool here, there's Corey's dead fur already, and all you need to do is to just press one button, boom, goes right in. It's really effortless. Look at it, how simple it is, right? So let's groom him one more time. Let's de-shed him one more time. Stay boy, that's a good boy. Right, do it very lightly. carefully so that he enjoys the process, all right? Okay, there we go. More fur. Boom, gone. All right, so we are done with the deshedding tool here. Now let's switch to the comb, all right? So I'm just gonna take it out and insert the comb here. All right, so we're now in suction mode because I don't have the comb out. So let's just suck Cory a bit. Just suck Cory a bit, just like this. So it's not every time that we want to deshed our dog. Sometimes we just want to clear up whatever fur that he or she has on his coat. Right, easy does it. And if I want to give Cory's coat a comb, I'm just going to push this button and give him a nice groom here. Look at it. Okay, we're done. As you can see, there's still more fur being deshedded from Cory's coating. I'm just going to put it back. And there you go. It goes right into the vacuum cleaner just like this. Let's do a little bit more suction here. Okay, and we're done here. So let's just make this fur go inside here. Next, we are going to check out the electric clipper here. Now, one thing that I really like about this electric clipper is that you don't need to charge it to use it because it has electrical contact points here that draws power from the pet vacuum cleaner. And let's do it right now. Insert it in and power on the vacuum cleaner. So we're just going to give Cory's butt a shave. As you can see, it's a big mess now. So there you go. So Cory, I hope you don't mind me shaving your butt, your pretty butt here. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it's really effortless on grooming your dog using this electric clipper here, though you just need to be careful not to overshave your dog. So there's some fur that's too long at the bottom here. So we're just gonna try to, all right, Cory, stay on. All right, so we're just gonna try to shave it here. Okay, at least it looks short enough to not get water on the ground. Okay, I think we are all good. Let's shave it a bit. And on the other side, it looks good. So you can see that you can do it just simply at your home by using this clipper here instead of visiting your groomer all the time, which saves a lot of time and cost as well. All right, and once it's done, you can see all the fur will go into the pet vacuum cleaner just like this. Finally, this is the last tool that I want to show you guys, and it is something that I think every pet vacuum cleaner should include because the hair suction tool is really important for sucking hair off your shirt because every time when you groom your dog, there's sure to be fur that's stuck on your shirt and there's no point brushing them off because it will create a mess at your home, which is the reason why I said in the beginning that this pet vacuum cleaner will not make a mess around your home. So let's just attach it to the hose of the vacuum again. And we're just going to brush off some fur off my shirt. As you can see, there's a bit of Cory's fur on my shirt already. Cory's really shed a lot. So we're just going to turn on the vacuum cleaner right now. So let's do it. Now this is super useful as compared to those roller brush stickers where you need to peel them off all the time when you use and throw them away. Right? As you can see, the fur gets stuck onto the brush really easily. My shirt is definitely much cleaner now. Look at it. This is how much fur it managed to suck, right? So once you're done, just push this lever on the back and it's clear. Just do it a few more times and it basically gets sucked into the pet vacuum cleaner really easily. Finally, this is definitely worth a mention because the IvittyPet HSCW03 comes with a very nice storage bag that you can store all your cleaning tools inside. Though I definitely hope that there is a tray of sorts for us to put all the cleaning tools on the table. But yeah, having a bag like this is definitely way more useful than some other pet grooming vacuum cleaners that doesn't provide one at all. Right, so that's all for the IvittyPet HSC W03 Pet Grooming Vacuum Cleaner. It costs $90 on Amazon.com, which you can visit in the link below to purchase one if you're interested in getting it. Now, of course, I'll also leave a discount code in the description if I ever have one from IvittyPet, so you guys can get a slight discount when you purchase it. Right, so that's all for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.